In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit screenshots in Canva. Whether you're preparing a polished presentation or enhancing your social media posts, knowing how to skillfully edit images can make a world of difference. First, let's start by heading over to Canva and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to click on the Uploads tab located on the left side toolbar. This tab is your gateway for adding new images to your Canva projects. Now that you've found the Uploads tab, simply click on Upload Files. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the screenshot file you wish to work on from your device. Go ahead and choose your screenshot and click Open. You should see your screenshot appear among your uploaded files shortly after. Once your image appears, select it to add it to your Canva workspace. This is where the fun begins. Next, navigate to the top menu and click on Edit Image. Doing so will unlock a range of editing tools for you to explore. If you are a Canva Pro user, you'll have access to the Magic Eraser tool. Click on it to activate this magical utility. Now simply highlight the area of your image you want to erase. This tool is intuitive and allows you to precisely remove unwanted sections of your screenshot, so take your time outlining the areas you want to clear up. After highlighting, hit erase and watch the selected portions vanish. With the unwanted areas cleared, let's add some styling to your screenshot. Find and click on the shadows option, engage your creativity here. Choose a shadow effect that gives your image depth and style. It's also a great way to make your image pop against any background. Moving on to colors, click on duotone. This option allows you to select from a variety of color effects to give your image a vibrant or dramatic new look. Feel free to experiment with different options until you find the perfect one for your design needs. Ready to experiment with orientation? Click on Flip. From here you can flip your image horizontally or vertically to see which composition works best. It's a simple yet effective way to gain a fresh perspective on your design. Lastly, if you want to add some motion, click on Animate. This feature offers several dynamic animations that can bring your screenshot to life, perfect for presentations or engaging digital content. And that's it. You've now successfully transformed your screenshot using Canva's robust editing tools. With these skills under your belt, you can take any image and make it shine in your projects. Thanks for joining and happy designing.